Hi friends, it's Salma from Contentful. Today I'm going to guide you through how to set up your content type for your very own Thing of the Day microblog. Your Contentful space has a content model that represents all the different types of data that you want to serve to your front end. Thing of the Day is a microblog, so the first content type I'm going to set up is our microblog content type, which contains 5 fields: a text field, an image field, a link field, a link text field, and a final text field, which will represent what panther emote we want to show on the front end. And this is entirely optional for you. In the future, I might want to include different content types to serve different types of data to our front end. For example, an author, or even a social link to show a group of social links on the front end as well. So let's get started. Head on over to your Contentful space and click on the Content Model tab at the top of the screen. Click on Add Content Type, and we'll name this first content type microblog. You can also add a description. Click on Create, and now it's time to add our first field. Click on Add Field. We're going to add our text field, so choose Type Text. We'll name it Text. Click on the long text radio button and click Create and Configure. In the Field Options section, we're going to click on the checkbox where the field represents the entry title. So you'll see the text for this field in the list of blog posts in the Contentful UI. Let's go over to the validation tab. And because I don't want to deal with walls of text in the front end, we're going to limit the character count to 280 characters. And you can also add a custom error message. Click on the Appearance tab, and we're going to keep Markdown selected for this one. Click Save. Our next field will be our image field. So we're going to choose the type Media and name this field Image, and keep the One File radio button selected. Click Create and Configure. And on the validation tab, we are going to make sure that we only accept image files for this field. And I'm adding a custom error message as well. Click Save. And our next field will be our link field. Click on Type Text. Let's add the name Link and click Create and Configure. On the validation tab, there's a really handy validation tool where you can match a specific pattern via a regex. Now, the Contentful developers know that no developers like writing regex, so they provided one for you. You can customize that to your needs or keep it as it is provided. Add a custom error message and click Save. The next field we're going to add is the link text field. Click Add Field, choose Text, and type in link text. Create and configure that one. And because I want to show this link text on a button in the UI, I want to limit the character count to 100. Click on Save. And our final field that we're going to add is our Panther field. Click Add Field, click Text, choose the name Panther, and click Create and Configure. We're going to use another handy validation tool where we are going to accept only specified values for this field. So I'm going to add in all the names of my panthers, pressing Enter after each value. And on the Appearance tab, I'm going to choose the radio appearance so that choosing a panther is a one-click experience. Here is our content type set up for our microblog. Click Save. And now you can go into your Content tab and start adding your microblogs. If you want to find out more about Contentful, you can head on over to our developer portal at contentful.com/developers. You can check out our documentation, you can join our community Slack, and check out all of our blog posts for developers as well. Have fun with Contentful, and remember, build stuff, learn things, and love what you do.